useful for an operator or an owner is that this thing is plug and play, ready to go. There's no robot integrator needed or anything like that. And the beauty of it is when it comes time to programming the robot, all of that is handled through the Haas control. We use a series of menus in our familiar VPS system, and through those menus you control the programming of the robot, and you also jog the robot with our remote jog handle, which has been updated to control the robot. So just a fantastic package and a really easy entry into the world of automation. Moving on, let's go over here to this VF2 SSYT. The VF2, of course, is one of our best sellers, our small footprint VMC. But this is the Super Speed Y variation. Super Speed, of course, gives you faster rapids and cutting speeds, 1400 inch per minute rapids, 12K spindle, 30 pocket Super Speed tool changer, and then in this case, the Y option gives you additional Y-axis travel for a deeper work envelope this way. All right, that pretty much wraps it up here for the VF2 SSYT. Let's throw it over to Brian.
All right, as Andrew said, right next to the VF2 SSYT, we've got the DT1. Now, DT stands for drill tap. This is a super